Hello guys, after a very long time, now again I'm Santosh Kumar in Skill Points. Today we are going to learn a new topic, that is a mail merge concept in Microsoft Word. And before that, I want to tell you the Microsoft Word, it's the official package. And in MSN Word, there is a one feature that is a mail merge, and it's very useful for us because if you want to issue a one same information to multiple recipient, multiple people, so you will take a time. But if you have a very short time, so you can use a mail merge feature and you can create a multiple letter within a few seconds. So for that, suppose that I'm going to create a one mark statement report, like as a student in a school. Suppose that in class there are many students and we are going to give a report card. Okay, so we have a very short time, so in that case you can use a mail merge concept and you can generate your report card. So now see, on the screen I have created a one dummy format style here. Okay, like skills points and session and then mark statement. If you want to design the format, so you can design as per your requirement like this. Suppose that I have created a very simple design, right? But the process is the same. Right now, I want to display the name of the student here, the class, section, roll number and admission number in this place. Okay, so I have created here heading section. After that, just this marks statement place. These are the some subjects name, and the students will get the marks in that place. Okay, so these areas are blank, so we'll fetch the data from another place. So how we'll do this? Just wait and watch till the end of this video. And the total marks, suppose that the total marks of this subject will get here, and total attendance. After that, this is a remark section. I want to add the remark in that place. And suppose that if you want to add some more fields, so you can write here like name of the class teacher also. So you can write here, no issue, it's up to you. Okay, so you can design here. And if you want to apply the formatting pad, so it's a very simple process. You can use here font style, font color, any font style if you want to apply. So you can select from the style panel. Okay, now after that I'm going to start the next step, mail merge concept. Or before that, this is the first part, right? The Word document. Now you see there are some fields: name, roll number, class and admission number. After that, we need to create these subjects name, total and marks. On these fields we have to create a one database file here. So now this is a one Excel file. I've stored all the data in that place, like a roll number, name, class, admission number, English, Hindi, maths, science, computer. And now I got calculated total here in this part. Okay, and if you don't know how we can calculate the total, so you can see my videos. Okay, right, and then also I have calculated the total percentage here. Okay, and after that we can add the remark section, right? And the last I have added there the teacher name. So you can add here new field as a teacher name, like you can use a Karan Verma, right? So this is a class teacher name, Karan Verma. So this is the same, right? So we can put here the Mr. Karan Verma, and we can drag this name in the all the records. Okay, fine. Last note here, we have only the 5 records here, right? So no need to apply the formatting here. Fine, you can store the data in the very simple format, right? But remember one thing, this is a field, these are the some fields name. So as per field name we set the value here. Okay, and we save this file. Again come on document areas here. Now we are going to use the mail merge concept. So you have see in the menu bar there is a mailing feature, mailing tab. Now the next is you can start your mail merge concept. Okay, So here is the mailing message, but I'm going to start the recipient areas. Select recipient, use existing list because we are going to add some list from the file. So use existing list. We'll click on this, and then we'll select the data from the destination places. So I have stored that file in on my desktop. Okay, it's a reports Excel. I'll select that file. Oh, error occur. Oh, yes, something is happened there. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. Let's click again. I'm using a existing file here. Desktop. Again, you select the folder. The file is open here also. We just click here. No need to close forward. We can do this. Yeah, got it. Now see here the sheet 1, sheet 2 sheet. We have stored on the data all the data on sheet 1. So by default the sheet 1 selected, just click on OK. Now see there is some changes here in the ribbon section, right, and insert the field areas, right? So in this group there is a one insert merge field. So if we click on this, so now you see all the fields of uh, Excel file you can see here. Now just go in the name field. In this name block area, I'll just insert the what the name field here. Next is roll number, so we'll again click on the insert, and one by one we insert all the fields in that particular places. Last in section. And the next is the admission number here. Now the name marks obtained, so English, so we'll put here English. The next field is a science, normal is the science here. So this is a Hindi, okay, no issue. We'll check once again also. Then there is a mathematics, maths. Then next subject is a science, and the next subject is a computer. Now the we already calculated the total in that Excel file, so there is a total per field and the total attendance not mentioned in that, but yeah, in that place we have calculated the percentage. Don't worry about it, we can change the percentage here. Okay, percentage, sorry. And at last the remark means this place, and we'll go in that place. You will insert the remark. Teacher name, again we'll insert the teacher name. Okay, inserted. Now see, I have inserted all the fields in that particular places. Okay, now after that what we do, we have this is a preview result button. There is a one preview button, just we'll click on this. Boom, now you can see here, this is my first record has been replaced with the name with the original data, right? Wow. Now within a few seconds we can calculate the one report. We have generated a one report. Now what we'll do the next one. So see, in the preview result section there is a find and next button. Just click on the second one, next. Boom. See, name of the student Deepak, roll number this, assignment and marks also changed. Now this is third one, fourth, and fifth, and the last. We have stored only the six record, so you can see here one by one all the records. But I want all the reports in a separate report format. So what we'll do, we'll click on the finish merge, and there is an individual edit individual document, and we'll click on the all button. Just see there is something happened in there. Okay, and after that you just go in the next. Wow, this is the second page deeper. Now this is third page Karan, and now this is fourth and Dosh, and now this is fifth Kishan. Now the next is sixth blank, 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 blank. Because the reason was I have selected the some many extra rows in that Excel. database file. Okay, so see, within a few seconds we have generated a report card. Okay, now you can save this report as a PDF also. So you can save that report as a PDF. For that I have stored all the files in this place, report file, and you can save this PDF. Okay, and you can see first record is there, and then second record also, right? So formatting, as per your format, you can design your format, and after that you can mail merge. Now within a few seconds we have generated a report card. Only five reports is there, so there. So you have, we can see only five pages. But if you have a hundreds of reports, then you can generate a hundred files. Okay. So this is mail merge concept. I hope you enjoyed and you have learned a lot. And in future, if you want to apply, so you can use. So it's very interesting and very useful for us. So if you want again some more interesting and knowledgeable videos, so please like and subscribe my channel. I'll update you very soon with a new topic. Thank you very much for watching.